Yeah, hey there. We're going to do a quick one here on putting a replacement of a wiper blade on a Mazda CX-5. It's a 2018 model. They're probably all pretty much similar. Going to do front passenger. This is a rotted squeegee here. It's a 18-inch blade. Driver's side is a 24-inch blade. So this is incredibly simple. Right here is there's a little push tab. You just push that thing in, and this just slides straight out like that. Very simple. Be careful not to let this thing snap down on the windshield. You're going to wind up with a cracked windshield there. So this here is the push tab here that we were just looking at, and we're gonna dig a new wiper blade out of the box. And they always come with a whole set of attachments there to put the thing on. So you just got to find one that's going to match up, because this is supposed to. They threw them all on the ground. Hey, look out! Jeez, that's gonna be bad if that camera hits ground. Okay, here. Can't tell. This is early in the morning. Wow. Okay, anyway, I found an attachment here that has a similar looking push tab as that. So we're going to slip this into the wiper blade. Oh, they actually have one in the wiper blade already. That's the wrong one for this vehicle. Press. Okay, gonna wiggle that thing out of there. So that's the one they provided. We're going to pull him out. I'm going to stick this thing in. And yeah, this could be next to impossible to do this. Man, it's cold out here. My fingers are freezing off. Okay, there. Snapped in. That looks good. There we got some of these here little protectors on the ends here. Pull that stuff off. All right, that should do it. That's it. He's in there. Good. And that's as easy it is to do one of these things here. So go get yourself some new wiper blades there so you can see what you're doing. Please see where you're driving. Please hit the like and subscribe there for me, please, if you wouldn't mind, and help my channel out some. Thank you very much, and we'll see you again.